something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout it. Come bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood, shout it.
Hey y'all, welcome to Looks by Len, and this is Brooklyn. So I wanted to give a quick disclaimer. This video in no way, shape, or form is meant to distract or to gain views or anything like that from the Black Lives Matter movement or from the protest that is going on. This video is simply an outlet for me. Whenever I am feeling stressed, as I am right now, I like to sit down and do my makeup. It's just now that I have a YouTube channel, it's like, okay, I can film it now. But this is a daily thing for me. I always just sit and do my makeup, even if I have absolutely nowhere to go. It distracts me from what is going on in the world, whether that be the pandemic or me failing a class or from my Black and brown people getting gunned down and killed. Regardless of what is going on, this is how I choose to calm down and to take a step back and just to kind of ground myself so I don't become overwhelmed. Today I am doing a full face of e.l.f. cosmetics because e.l.f. is one of the only brands that I have seen that have taken a physical stand with Black people of America, and Black people in general. They have stopped all sale on their website for today, June 2nd. Absolutely no sale, no shipping, no anything is going on with e.l.f. today. And I really appreciate e.l.f. for doing that because it's more than a hashtag. We don't stop being Black when the Black Lives Matter hashtag stops trending. We don't stop being Black just because you retweet the person that was killed, their name, just because you say their name. We don't stop being Black. Every day we wake up, we're Black. Every day we go to sleep, we're Black. Every day we have to deal with, okay, if I get pulled over, is this going to be the last day that I live? Is this officer going to kill me because he felt threatened by my presence? You know, is a white woman going to call the police on me because I'm parked in front of her house and she, is scared for her life, so she calls the police and the police kills me? You know what I mean? And it's like, if you are not Black, you have absolutely no idea what that feels like. You have no idea what it feels like to be hated, to be killed just for your skin tone, just because you are Black. So, I encourage everyone who watches this video. I know I don't have a big platform, but I know for the views that I do get, I really wanted to take some time and just encourage everyone who watches this video to donate. If you can, donate to the bail funds, donate to Black Lives Matters, donate to some organization that is helping, NAACP, some organization that is helping for that advancement of Black people. Go out and protest. You can be a non-Black person and still support us. You know what I mean? If you have a brain in your head and you realize what is going on is wrong, go out and protest. I personally am not protesting just because I have health conditions that prevent me from doing so, and I just don't feel safe doing so. But I am donating. I'm donating to Black Lives Matter. I'm donating to I Run With Ahmaud. I'm donating to the DC Freedom Fighters. I really, really, really want to donate to Breonna Taylor, but I don't think her family has set up a GoFundMe or a memorial of any sort. So I may donate to her city bail fund, but I am donating. I am trying my best to do my part. And so do your part. Educate your friends, educate your family members. You don't have to be Black to understand and to empathize with the Black community. Stop supporting these racist brands. Go out and protest, donate, retweet the hashtag. But it doesn't stop with retweeting the hashtag. Sign the petitions. Do something. Email your senator or your governor or your representative. Vote. Go out and vote. Like, this is so much bigger than us. This is so much bigger than Black people. So that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't remember if I said it, like I've been talking for a minute. I can't remember if I said it, but I am using a full face of e.l.f. because e.l.f. has taken a stand with the Black community, and that is who I'm choosing to give my money to. People and brands who actively support the Black community. Yeah, so Raggedy Royal, she has created a master list of brands that have spoken up or have donated since this has all happened, and I will try and link it down below. Um, you know, the coin, the dollar is a powerful tool. Stop giving your money to brands that do not give a fuck about you. Not donate, spend your money to brands that care for black people. It's just that simple. It starts there, it starts somewhere. So, yeah, that's my rant. Um, Anything else? Oh, I do want this video to be very relaxing, just because this is how I relax by doing my makeup. So I am talking in a very low tone throughout the video. I got this idea from Face Over Matter. I will link her channel down below. She does a makeup therapy on her YouTube channel, and it's so relaxing. So I try to emulate that as much as possible on my channel. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So I'm just starting by filling in my eyebrows with the e.l.f. pomade, and then I'm going to go in and like define them or clean them up using the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. All shades and the exact name for products will be listed down below. I am feeling a bit sick. I think I'm getting a sinus infection, so it was kind of hard for me to talk. This video was recorded on the 2nd, so I'm not doing the voiceover on the day that I actually recorded it. So next I'm going to use that same concealer to prime my eyelids, and I did set it with the Halo Glow setting powder. Next I'm going to take the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadows in the shade Carnival Candy, and I'm going to use that reddish shade to work that into my crease with a big fluffy brush. After that, I'm going to take the same brown powder that I used to bronze my face later on in the video. I'm going to use that on a smaller, denser brush and work that into my outer edge just to kind of deepen up the crease and deepen up the whole look before cutting my crease. I'm going to cut my crease with the NYX glitter primer. e.l.f. does have a glitter primer, but I didn't have it. So I'm just going to cut my crease with the NYX glitter primer and then pack on some e.l.f. glitter. I did get this glitter as a free gift in an order that I did, so I decided to use it to show that you can do dramatic looks on a budget and with e.l.f. products. So I'm just going to use that glitter to work that onto my crease. This glitter did not have a lot of fallout either, so it was a pretty good glitter, and I hate working with glitter shades, so it was pretty good. So next I'm going to take the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This is my first time ever using it. It was limited edition and it just came back out. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm also going to use their foundation in the shade Latte and Caramel, and I mix those two together. And then for concealer, I'm going to mix both the Hydrating Concealer and the original formula. And I'm just going to conceal under my eyes and bring that down around my mouth when I blend it out. I am using the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. I always use this sponge. It's just really nice. It's a really nice sponge, and it gets really big when you wet it. And I apologize if I'm looking off to the side throughout this video. I was watching Grey's Anatomy while I was filming this because this is my second time filming it. The first time was, I was doing a traditional kind of get ready with me, a traditional makeup video. But I decided that I kind of wanted this to be a voiceover instead. So I refilmed it later on that night. And I was watching Grey's Anatomy while I was recording. So I am going in with a powder that they have. It's not the Halo Glow powder. I actually hate that powder for on my face. I feel like it makes my makeup separate very easily. So this powder, I will leave it down below because I don't know what the exact name of it is. But it's just a very small powder that comes in a little jar. And then I'm going to take their, it's their deep dark setting powder. And I'm going to use that to contour slash bronze my face. And then I'm going to clean up that contour with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. So although e.l.f. does carry blushes, I just went in with the same shade that I used on my eyes in the crease. And then I brushed off that powder using a Wet n Wild brush. I set my face with the e.l.f. setting spray and then went in with the e.l.f. and Nabela highlighter. Um, this highlighter was okay. I feel like it sat on my skin, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep working with it. And then I went in with the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee, and went in with their matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Brown. And I'm gonna use that same powder to like act as a lip liner and define my lips. I also did my moles and mascara off camera because those were not e.l.f. products. So these are not e.l.f. lashes. I bought these Style Drama Queen, but I just did not like them once I put them on. And also I went in with that brown powder on my lower lash line. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.